Today on Cutlers Court.
I believe he's cheating on me.
My friends, sometimes they find different women and they usually don't have condoms. So I'm the condom guy.
So the nice guy that Silvio is, he bought her flowers, balloon, and a card.
I'm just a cool, smooth, happy guy.
You all are fighting over the most inconsequential stuff in the world. You more drunk than I am. You threw a shoe at me. You pulled her wig off.
You punched me.
No, I slapped you.
No, I think it was a punch.
All of it is so inconsequential.
We'll find out today, will she stay or will she go? This is Cutlers Court. Estefania Smith is in a delicate condition, and so is her relationship. She hopes the judges can offer advice to help her boyfriend act less like a bachelor and more like a soon-to-be father. Silvio Lamizer claims he's ready to be a better man and an even better father. He believes his girlfriend's pregnancy hormones might be clouding her judgment, but hopes to ease her worries.
Your Honor, this is case 1059, Smith versus Lamizer.
Thank you, Tashi. Ms. Smith, with your relationship with Mr. Lamizer, this should be a great time because you are expectant. But yet, there are issues, there are problems, and you need us to help you address those. Is that right?
Correct.
Okay, tell me what's going on.
So me and Silvio been together for 6 years. I believe he's cheating on me. He drinks too much. And I'm currently pregnant and I'm confused. I don't know what to do.
And you sound just kind of overwhelmed by all of this. Like I'm at my limit. I'm against the wall. Is that accurate?
Yes, I'm tired. I'm tired.
Mr. Lamizer, she's saying what you serving, she ain't liking. What's going on with you?
Oh, Your Honor, that's false. First off, I'm not a drunk. I do go out occasionally, but I'm not a drunk, all right? Also, I have some issues with her as well, you know, because sometimes when we go out, she wears some skimpy, provocative clothing that I'm just not happy with. And I'm not a cheater, first off. I love my girl. Like, I want to keep this relationship.
Okay.
And I'm actually happy we're about to have a child. It's my first child, and I'm actually really excited.
So you're not a cheater.
Definitely not.
That's not true.
You're not a drunk.
Definitely not.
That's not true.
And you actually have some issues with her.
Correct.
So me and Silvio, when we have sex, we don't use protection.
Okay.
So there was an outing. We was, in a situation, and I knocked over his bag.
Okay.
A box of condoms came out. I counted the condoms, and 3 condoms was missing. And I have evidence to show that.
Okay. Tashi, would you grab that for us, please?
Okay, so he had some kind of bag packed?
Yes, but it gets worse because days after I told him about the condoms and everything and we spoke about it, he's like, oh, I found them. So basically, how did you find them? Did you go and buy them to make it seem like you didn't use them?
Well, the reason I have condoms is because I go out a lot, right? And I have a lot of friends. Hold on, I'm not done yet. Hold on before you get the faces. And my friends, sometimes they find different women and they usually don't have condoms. So I'm the condom guy. I'm the condom guy.
So you the back,
I'm the guy that always is looking out for my friends.
So there are
I'm the one that's trying to protect them.
Okay, so I've heard of wingmen. I've never heard
of a condom man.
You got your condom man with you? I've never heard
That's
that.
me. That's me.
You that person.
I want to make sure that they're good when they're out in these streets.
That is completely suspect.
Because I have a woman. I don't need the condoms, but I want to make sure that they're good.
Okay, all right.
That's it.
He's also the drunken
just trying
man
to look
too.
out.
He's also the drunken man too. That's the biggest issue.
Hold on, Ms. Smith, before we get to that.
Yes.
Do you have any other evidence that he's cheated?
Yes.
Okay.
What do you have?
So, Silvio, he sends a girl that he just met, bought her flowers, a card, and balloons. I never got that with Silvio.
How do you know he did
I
this?
went on his Instagram. I know Silvio's car. I know Silvio's voice. And then I confronted him about it.
All right, and so when you went looking for this, you saw that he had sent some other woman.
He was in a car with another woman.
He was in a car?
In his car with another woman and sent her flowers.
So was this a picture or?
I have the evidence.
Okay.
Okay, Tachi.
It's a picture and text messages saying why he bought her the flowers and stuff like that.
Okay. So here are the flowers.
Yes,
on
and
the
that's his
screen.
That's
Those are
his
nice
car.
flowers, though, right? Those are nice flowers, though.
Those are nice flowers,
Nice
yes.
flowers, though, you know.
Okay, and you said there's an explanation as to why he bought them?
He said that basically he met her in April and she claims that a man never bought her flowers. So the nice guy that Silvio is, he bought her flowers, balloon, and a card. He never once, in the beginning of our relationship, I never got flowers, and it was her birthday. I never got flowers, a card, or a balloon on my birthday.
I mean, he's generous. He keeps up with condoms.
Very much
Thank
so.
you.
He's
Thank
doing
you.
flowers.
Yes.
He's that guy.
Yes,
that
he's
guy.
I am that guy. I'm
He's
that guy. I'm that guy.
He's that guy.
I do what I gotta do to make people happy. My thing is, I just want people happy.
But
and
that's
smiling,
very sentimental.
You know?
Giving
Okay.
somebody a
I just want
card
people- I just want
and
people
flowers
happy.
and a
That's
balloon.
what
What
I'm
did
doing.
you write in the
Here's
card?
Well,
Go ahead, love.
so you just want to make people happy?
That's it.
Okay, Miss Smith is not happy.
No, I'm not.
But I always make her happy. But the thing about
I
her,
don't
right?
think so.
Well, first
Now-
off,
now I'm not happy.
she's snooping on my social media. We don't even follow each other on social media, okay? We don't even follow each other on social media, but she always knows everything about my social media.
Correct.
But let me just say this. Social media is open to the world.
Of course, but
So
I'm
if
not
you put
snooping
it
on
out
hers.
there, no, it's not even snooping. It isn't snooping. It's like putting it in the newspaper.
No, but it wasn't on my page, though. It was on her page. But she actually found all my new followers. I don't know
Your
how she even
Honor.
knows how to find new followers. Then she went on her page, started snooping, looking through all her stuff, and found this information. It wasn't like it was on my page. I wouldn't put stuff like that
Your
on my
Honor,
page. My page is
if
about
I didn't
me.
have suspicions about Silvio, I wouldn't snoop on Silvio's page. There's times that we're out and Silvio's at a concert. We at a concert, right? And this is where the drunken Silvio comes in because Silvio has two different personalities. You have this and you have Silvio that when he's drunk.
Okay.
We went to a concert, right? We went backstage. I was talking to some friends I just met. Silvio I turned around, there's a girl's hand around Silvio's neck. Silvio's just standing there. And mind you, we at the concert together. I go up to him and I move the girl's hand off of his neck. Me and the girls got into an altercation because of this. So I don't just snoop.
When you say her hand was around his neck, how was her hand? Can you show me?
You and your wife, right?
Yeah.
You're standing, and your wife is right there, and you're in front of your wife, and your hand is around your wife. Standing up, it was standing.
Was it
there
like
you
this?
Go. No, y'all, you need to be in more.
More like this?
Yeah, there you go.
I
There you go.
highly doubt it was that
Standing
close.
up.
that.
Yes.
I highly doubt it was
Beautiful.
that close.
Hold on. So it was
Beautiful.
like that. And
No.
she had one hand around
One
his
hand
neck.
and
Okay.
close.
She was talking to
Famous
me.
family.
She was
Okay.
talking to
If
me.
someone's talking to
She was
you, if
talking
that
to me.
happens, can I ask you a
It's
question, Your
allowed-
Honor?
It was a concert. She got drunk and we was out. She wants to punch me in my face.
He likes it. He clearly likes it when I'm upset.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do. And I didn't punch him. To this day, he'll tell everyone that I punched him. I slapped him. I had long nails on. I
She
couldn't
didn't
even ball
she
a
didn't even
fist.
remember hitting me the next day.
Yes.
And then she threw a shoe at me.
You threw my shoes down, so I'm gonna throw it at you. Don't throw my shoes down in front of everybody. Don't do that.
I've heard of wingmen.
Uh-huh.
I've never heard of
condom man.
you got your condom man with you. I've never
That's
heard
that's
that.
me. That's me.
You and your wife, right?
Yeah.
You're standing, and your wife is right there, and you're in front of your wife, and your hand is around your wife.
Was it
there
like
you
this?
Go. No. Y'all, you need to be in more.
More like this?
There you go.
You know, I gotta say, I'm kind of equally impressed and somewhat disturbed by Mr. Lamazer. I mean, he's your man. You want condoms? You got them.
I'm the
Yeah,
good guy.
He's the guy.
I'm a
Yeah,
good guy.
that's his thing. He's the good guy.
Okay, so you're such a good guy. This woman had her arm around your neck. What was up with that?
She was basically talking to me. It's a loud concert. Of course, you gotta get close to me. Because first off, I can't really hear that much sometimes. So, mostly in loud venues. So, of course, she's gonna get, because I can't hear, I probably was saying what? So she probably got close to my ear and was talking to me. And that's what it really was.
Why her-
Nothing
if
more,
she's
Hold on,
talking
Miss
to
nothing
Smith. Hold on, Miss
less.
Smith.
You like the drama.
Yeah.
I don't like drama.
You do.
You like that drama?
I don't like toxicity. I don't like none of that. I'm just a cool, smooth, happy guy.
All right, and speaking of you being a smooth, cool, happy guy, let's talk about your alleged drinking problem. Ms. Smith says that it's a problem.
Definitely not a problem, because first off, I'm the social drinker. I don't drink as much as she does. When she drinks, she can't control herself, first off. There's been a situation where she got drunk and we was out and we were arguing, and instead of just having a regular argument, she wants to punch me in my face. And as a man, I'm not gonna hit her back, but I just took the hits. You know?
So what I'm hearing is both of y'all like to turn up. Is that true?
Yes.
Okay, so and here it is. I am not judging. What I'm trying to do is give you perspective. Because it sounds like to me y'all like to turn up together.
Yes, but it got worse. He wasn't pulling
On
off
my side,
girls'
because
wigs.
I'm getting attacked.
I didn't punch him. I had long nails on.
So
How
you can't
can
make
I
a
punch
fist?
him
Look.
with
Hold on, Mr.
long nails
Lamazere.
on? I had long nails on, long nails. How can I ball a fist to punch him? I slapped him, but till this day, I did slap him because he egged it on.
No.
He gaslights everything. He gets me. He knows what gets me mad, and he likes it. He clearly likes it when I'm upset.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do. And I didn't punch him. To this day, he'll tell everyone that I punched him. I slapped him. I had long nails on. I couldn't even ball
She
a
didn't even
fist.
remember hitting me the next day. I had to tell her she punched me. She was like,
I did
no.
not punch you. I had on long
I had
nails.
long nails.
I did not
Okay,
punch
so
you.
That
doesn't even make any sense.
It doesn't matter.
Yes.
And then she threw a shoe at me.
You threw my shoes down, so I'm gonna throw it at you. Don't throw my shoes down in front of everybody. Don't do that.
So that-
You all are fighting over the most inconsequential stuff in the world. You more drunk than I am. You threw a shoe at me. You pulled her wig off.
You punched me.
No, I slapped you.
No, I think it was a punch.
All of it is so inconsequential. Because the reality is, and I go back to my original statement, y'all like to get drunk together. And then it gets crazy and somebody gets mad. If you don't like your behaviors, stop drinking. This is an easy fix.
You're
But
right.
it's not just him and it's not just you, it's y'all. You have talked about Miss Smith and her dressing. Do you have any evidence that she actually dresses skimpily?
Yes, I do. Yes,
Okay,
I
Tasha,
do.
would you
Your
get
Honor.
that information?
And here's the evidence.
Oh, you've been waiting all day.
I was
haven't
waiting for
you?
that. I was waiting for
All
that. I
right.
was waiting for that. I was waiting for that. You know, I was waiting for that. I was waiting for that.
Oh.
Up next,
You know, Judge Dana and I don't go out that much, but when we do go out, you know, this is representative of what we see. It's not like she's standing
Oh, I
out in the
thought you were
crowd.
going somewhere else. This is what she wear. I'm like, wait a minute.
I know Silvio. And then he cancels appointments on me.
We got 4 months
Yes.
to get this together, one way or another.
I don't think he's ready.
Are you willing to make the changes that she's talking about?
And I didn't punch him. To this day, he'll tell everyone that I punched him. I slapped him. I had long nails on. I couldn't even ball
She
a
didn't even
fist.
remember hitting me the next day. I had to tell her she punched me. She was like,
I did
no.
not punch you. I had on long,
I had
nails.
long nails.
I did not punch
so
you.
that
doesn't even make any
it
sense.
It doesn't matter.
matter.
You have talked about Miss Smith and her dressing. Do you have any evidence that she actually dresses skimpily?
Yes, I do. Yes,
Okay,
I
Tasha,
do.
would you
Your
get
Honor.
that information?
And here's the evidence.
Okay. Wow.
And this is a regular
Okay.
thing for her.
All right?
I do bartending sometimes, a bottle girl.
He asked where.
Excuse me.
I'm sorry.
I do bottle service
One
sometimes,
more.
so that was the attire for that. I was at a bar.
Okay, all right. Now let's look at the next picture.
Actually, that was my birthday with him.
All right?
I feel like if I'm with him, I can dress certain ways. I'm with him. I want to
Okay.
feel sexy with you, so I don't understand what's the problem.
All right, and I think there's a next picture.
That was at a party.
Okay.
Not
Now,
with me.
Mr. Lamazere.
No, that wasn't with you.
You know, Judge Dana and I don't go out that much, but when we do go out, you know, this is representative of what we see. It's not like she's standing
Oh, I
out in the
thought you were
crowd.
going somewhere else. This is what she wear. I'm like, wait a minute. I was sitting here. Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry. I'm glad you made that left turn because I was like, wait a minute. Okay, go ahead, love.
So when you're out, have there been situations where men have given you unwanted attention where he's had to come and rescue you?
Yes, but I was with him. I feel like if I'm with him, I can dress certain ways.
Okay.
You understand? I'm with him. It's on them to, approach me and disrespect him. But yes, he almost got into scuffles, yes.
Okay,
Because
all
of
right.
my dressing. I
Last
guess.
weekend I wasn't with her though.
All
And
right,
she was basically
good.
naked.
I was
That's
at
all I
a
need to
beach
hear.
party. What
Yeah.
do you
It
want me to
wasn't the
wear?
beach. It wasn't the beach.
It was.
I do have one quick question.
Yes.
You are expecting.
Yes.
How far along are you?
5 months.
Okay, so we got 4 months
Yes.
to get this together, one way or another.
I don't think he's ready.
And I was gonna ask,
I don't think he's ready.
So what does that mean for you? If you don't think he's ready,
I'm gonna be a single mom.
Okay.
I don't think he's ready.
And you're willing, you're like, if we can't figure it out, I'm willing to do this by myself.
Yes, I'm gonna walk away. If we don't figure it out, I'm gonna walk away and be a single mom, yes.
What is it that you want from him so that you are family?
I want him to stop drinking so much.
Okay.
Cheating, because that hurts me. When I found that out, I'm pregnant. You know, my emotions and hormones is everywhere. That hurt me, you know? But if it can't work out, I'm ready to be a single mom and walk away.
All right, has he admitted to you that he's cheated? Or is just the condoms and the flowers and those kind of things?
No, he always deny it. But like I said, I see certain things. I know Silvio. And then he cancels appointments on me. Like if it's time to, not all, but sometimes when I have to go, you know, for my appointments and stuff, he said, oh, he's coming, but he cancels on me.
You're talking about for the baby?
Yes,
Okay.
he cancels on me. Yes, he does.
And you're
I feel like it's when he's with other women, yes.
Yeah, so he knows you're gonna be preoccupied and can't.
Yes, and I have evidence, I'm having a little boy.
Oh.
A little boy.
You wanna get that, Tasha? So you're like, are you gonna be this boy's dad or not?
Or not. I want a full-time dad.
Yeah, I remember these days. Woo.
Yeah.
All right. You have heard your girlfriend. You have heard what is bothering her, what she needs from you. Are you willing to make the changes that she's talking about?
I want him to stop drinking so much.
Okay.
Cheating, because that hurts me. When I found that out, I'm pregnant. You know, my emotions and hormones is everywhere.
Are you willing to make the changes that she's talking about?
I'm willing to make all the changes because first off, you're never gonna be a single mom. I would never allow that because I love you too much. And I don't want nothing like that to ever happen to you. Look at her. Like, you know, we argue, we fight, but it's like, she just makes me happy. Even though I'm already happy already. But she just makes me happier, you know?
All right, so Mr. Lamazere, there are clearly some issues between you and Ms. Smith. And you say that you're not cheating. She's accused you of it, even though you have identified yourself as a condom man among your group of friends. So I would first suggest stop being the condom man.
Let them buy their own
Yeah,
stuff.
who's not
These
in a
grown
relationship.
people.
Yeah, let them bear that burden. That's one less thing you got to worry about. You can check that off your list. Now, Ms. Smith, I guess what I want to say is, he is who he is. So one, I would say stop snooping. Now, you're a woman, so you're going to follow your intuition. I already know that. But when you go looking for something, you're going to find it. That's not a healthy relationship.
He did really well. I was just,
He did. He did.
well done, Mr. Cutler.
Thank you.
No, got right here too, right here.
All right.
That guy.
So the question before the court was, should you stay or should you go? It is the decision of this court that you stay together and work it out because you can and you want to. And then go take care of this little baby you got on the way. All right, that is the ruling of this court. The court is adjourned.
Thank you.
I love you, baby.
I really do love him. I really do want to be with him. So I do agree with the verdict.
The accusations she accused me of are ludicrous. I'm not a cheater, I'm not a drunk. I just want to make sure my girl's happy, and that's all I care about. It's not about drinking. I'm not a cheater. I'm not with other women. She can't prove that. So it's just accusations.